loves, we have our little Ponta Pie mascot here with us today, but I'm just popping on to share another product comparison video. I know you loved the vitamin C video. It got a ton of traffic, a ton of comments, so I wanted to share another product category comparison with products that I get asked about all the time, and that is eye cream. So I wanted to share a hyaluronic acid eye cream comparison because I absolutely love hyaluronic acid. It's a great ingredient. It's great for all skin types. It's perfect for summer. There are really affordable and then more expensive options, so it was absolutely perfect. And just to give you a little backstory on hyaluronic acid, because I know it sounds really confusing and wild, but what it is it is a naturally occurring substance in the body. It's in your skin, it's in your joints, and it's hydrophilic, which means it draws in water. So what hyaluronic acid is doing in products is it's bringing in more moisture to your skin and really leaving you with a hydrated, dewy, plump under eye, which is something that we all want in this life. So I'm going to compare a low cost, a higher cost, and then a product that is disrupting the category. It's a 2-for-1, and you're going to have to stay till the end to find out exactly what that is. Okay, Ponta, do you want to go show our friends the eye creams? Do you want to compare them? Sadly, she has too much fur to test any of the products today, but I will test them for you, and then you can try and test whatever you like, whatever you think is going to be best for your specific skin type. And just so you know, any of the links you use today in the description below, any of the things you try and purchase, does give me a little kickback to continue to test and compare different products for you. So I so appreciate you supporting me and my channel and making sure Ponta gets to go to college. We are just so incredibly appreciative. But let's get into it. Our first product is the lowest price hyaluronic acid eye cream, and that is the Deep Hydration Eye Cream from Alpine Beauty. You can pick it up on Honest website, at Target in store, the Target website, and very conveniently, you can prime it. It's $21.99, which is a really good price for this kind of product. And really what it's trying to do is plump and smooth your under eye area. It has the classic benefit of hyaluronic acid. It draws in moisture, hydration, and binds it to skin. This under eye area is so sensitive, and having a hyaluronic cream like this that has what's really important is the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which is a smaller form of hyaluronic acid, so it can really absorb into the skin. It also has shea butter, it has calendula and chamomile, which are really calming for the skin. So those are great properties. The one thing I will say is the hyaluronic acid, say that 3 times fast, I obviously cannot, is one of the last ingredients. So just the sheer amount of hyaluronic acid kind of gives me a little bit of red flags, but for the price, I think it is a good option. And texturally, it feels really nice on the skin, absorbs well, and it doesn't leave me with any residue. It also doesn't make my makeup slide off my face. So I like this one for the price. The next hydrating eye cream is from Alpine Beauty. It's the Plant Genius Line Filling Eye Balm. It's $62. You can get it on Alpine Beauty's website and at Credo, which I love to purchase from because I have a discount code for you and they give you samples, which I absolutely love. So this product is pretty crazy. It has a ton of different hydrators, a little bit more of a natural variety of things to really hydrate and moisturize without giving you any of that milia, which is the little clogged pores that can kind of accumulate around your eyes if you're using something too heavy as far as eye cream goes. So this is really good for someone who is suffering from some fine lines, some crepey skin, just some natural signs of aging. And on their website, they actually have a before and after picture that you can see an immediate change from just how impressive these ingredients are. It also has a natural form of retinol, and it has vitamin C serum, so it's protective and really hydrating as well. I really enjoyed this product because of the texture. It has almost like a cushiony texture out of the canister, and it lasts for a really long time. A little bit goes a long way, and I just find that it absorbs into the skin really, really well. In the same vein as the Honest Eye product, it has chamomile, it has candula. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Pretty sure it's a flower. Just things that are really soothing, as well as the more complex plant actives to really elicit change in the under eye area. Last but not least, we have the category disrupting 2-in-1 makeup and skincare revealer concealer from COSUS. It's $28. You can buy it at Credo Beauty, you can buy it at COSUS, you can buy it in store and online at Sephora. And this product is really cool. Not only does it work wonderfully as a concealer to conceal your under eyes or any scarring or anything on your face you want to conceal, but it has wonderful skincare ingredients that act as an under eye cream, including hyaluronic acid. So it aims to brighten, soothe, and plump. And the ingredients that do those things are caffeine and pink algae for brightening, arnica and vitamin B5 for soothing, and peptides and hyaluronic for plumping. And this is great for anyone who wants to use it in the morning as a makeup step and get skincare benefits. I wouldn't suggest buying this to use it at night or to use it solely as your under eye product, but I will say if you can have a 2-in-1 and you do makeup decently often, I think this is a fantastic product for $28. I personally use it exclusively as a concealer, and I just love that in addition to putting on makeup, I'm actually really caring for my skin. I love the number 4. That's the tone I use. I also have 3.5, but I don't like an under eye that's really drastically different from my regular skin tone. If you are someone who likes a really bright under eye, and I see that that is a trend for a lot of people, you can actually shade down one shade and use it to really, really brighten the under eye. I've been using this product for about 3 months now, and I really love it. The staying power is excellent. It does leave your under eyes really hydrated and plump looking, and I use it all over my face. And I know I look like kind of the opposite of a raccoon right now, so bear with me. I promise I will do my full makeup eventually. I'm not going to go out into the world like this, but I do want to conclude this video by letting you know that everyone is different, their needs are different. So personally, what I am going to do with the knowledge that I shared with you in this video is just decide to do the less expensive version, the Honest product, and I am going to use that one because I don't have a lot of under eye concerns. So I don't want to spend way too much money on eye cream. So I'm going to use that at night and then in the morning when I'm not wearing makeup. And then I'm going to use the COSUS Revealer Concealer on the days I am wearing makeup to make sure that my under eyes are super hydrated. But if you are someone who wants to see a drastic improvement in your under eyes, I think the Plant Genius at night with the Plant Genius in the morning, if you're not wearing makeup, or the Revealer Concealer when you do decide to wear makeup, is the perfect mixture. And I really hope that you gained a little insight and information into what eye cream might work for you in this video. And I would absolutely love to hear if you do try them, what you think, what your long-term experience is with using them. And if you want to see how well the Revealer Concealer lasts throughout the day, I did post finished product, full makeup, all day on my Instagram, so you can take a look. But the wearing power and the staying power is actually really great for that product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any other comparisons that you want to see. But really and truly, I love you so, so much, way more than you could ever know. And thank you so much for coming to this channel, for subscribing and liking and commenting and really being a part of this community, and also taking the time to just learn about your skin and fuel it with non-toxic clean products. It really makes a world of difference, and I'm just so, so proud of you. Mwah!